Surrounding yourself with positivity is about creating an environment that uplifts and inspires you. Here are some practical ways to do that. 1. Choose positive people. Spend time with people who encourage and support you. Limit time with negative or toxic individuals. 2. Consume positive content. Read uplifting books, listen to motivational podcasts, or watch inspiring videos. Follow social media accounts that spread joy and encouragement. 3. Practice gratitude. Keep a gratitude journal to focus on the good things in life. Express appreciation to others regularly. 4. Engage in activities that bring you joy. Pursue hobbies that make you happy. Exercise, meditate, or spend time in nature. 5. Create a positive environment. Declutter your space and add uplifting decorations, e.g., quotes, photos. Listen to music that boosts your mood. 6. Develop a growth mindset. See challenges as opportunities for growth rather than setbacks. Surround yourself with people who encourage learning and improvement. 7. Limit negative influences. Reduce exposure to negative news or social media. Set boundaries with toxic relationships. 8. Practice self-compassion. Speak kindly to yourself. Celebrate your progress and small wins. 9. Help others. Acts of kindness can increase your own sense of happiness and fulfillment. Volunteer or support a cause you believe in. 10. Set goals and stay inspired. Define clear goals that excite you. Surround yourself with reminders of your dreams and aspirations. Helping others can be a powerful way to bring positivity into your life. It not only benefits those you help but also boosts your own sense of happiness, purpose, and fulfillment. Here's how you can feel positivity through acts of kindness. 1. Engage in small acts of kindness. Smile at strangers, hold the door open, or compliment someone. Write a heartfelt note or message to a friend or colleague. 2. Volunteer for a cause you care about. Join a local charity, food bank, or community center. Offer your time and skills to an organization that aligns with your passions. 3. Support friends and family. Listen actively and be there when someone needs emotional support. Offer help without expecting anything in return. 4. Donate to those in need. Give money, clothes, or food to shelters and charities. Even small contributions can make a big difference. 5. Mentor or teach others. Share your knowledge and skills with someone looking to learn. Help a student, junior colleague, or someone struggling with a task. 6. Perform random acts of generosity. Pay for someone's coffee or meal. Leave an encouraging note in a public place. 7. Be a source of encouragement. Celebrate other people's achievements. Be the person who lifts others up rather than brings them down. 8. Foster a giving mindset. Shift your focus from, what do I get? to, how can I give? Embrace the idea that generosity creates a cycle of positivity. 9. Reflect on the impact you make. Keep a journal of the good you do and how it makes you feel. Notice how helping others improves your own happiness and perspective. 10. Surround yourself with like-minded people. Connect with people who also enjoy giving and helping. Join a group or organization that promotes kindness and social good. The joy of giving is that it not only helps others but also enriches your own life. Supporting friends and family is a beautiful way to cultivate positivity in your life. When you uplift others, you also uplift yourself, creating stronger relationships and a sense of fulfillment. Here's how you can feel positivity through being there for your loved ones. 1. Be an active listener. Give your full attention when someone talks to you. Show empathy by validating their feelings and offering support. 2. Celebrate their successes. Acknowledge and cheer for their achievements, big or small. Be genuinely happy for their progress without comparison. 3. Offer help without expecting anything in return. Assist with small tasks, like running errands or offering a ride. Provide emotional support during tough times. 4. Check in regularly. A simple message or call to ask, "How are you?" can mean a lot. Be there for them, even when they don't explicitly ask for help. 5. Encourage and motivate them. Remind them of their strengths when they doubt themselves. Offer words of encouragement to keep them going. 6. Share laughter and joy. Spend quality time together, making happy memories. Lighten their mood with humor and positivity. 7. Respect their boundaries and feelings. Support them in a way they feel comfortable with. Avoid pressuring them and respect their personal space. 8. Be their safe space. Let them know they can talk to you without fear of judgment. Offer kindness and understanding instead of criticism. 9. Express gratitude for their presence in your life. Tell them how much you appreciate them. A small thank you can make both of you feel more connected. 10. Led by example. Be the kind of friend or family member you wish to have. Your kindness will inspire them to spread positivity as well. When you give love and support selflessly, you create a cycle of positivity that comes back to you in unexpected ways.